chocolate. Fine, fine, no bucket. Watch your love for like it. Why not more, your body, chocolate. But she ready, yeah, in my day.
Play yourself, I'm not the one, but we can still pretend this can be my man. You say you're from different.
So hey you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now this video is sponsored by Luvme Hair, and they sent me this beautiful 7x6 HD closure wig. I think this is a loose body wave texture. Don't get me wrong, the specs and all the details about this wig will be down in the description box like always. However, I did want to mention that they did have like a new type of adjustment strap at the back. I did show you guys that because it's new to me. I don't know if other people have been getting it, but for me it is new, and I was like, good. I think this strap that they added is a little bit, it's almost like the strap that comes that they add to the wigs, but it is already installed in like the lining of the wig. I kind of like that, and I like the fact that it is adjustable, so it almost you could size it differently. So if your head is bigger or if your head is smaller, you can actually adjust it to your size. And I think it's more durable because honestly guys, the hooky type of straps that they used to put in the back of the wigs, honestly after a while they start breaking. Like I've had wigs where I really love the wigs, and after like because I like my wigs snug on my head, so it's like when you pull it too much, it's not strong enough to stay put. So sometimes they break, and by the time you're supposed to take your wig off, it's no longer good anymore. So you kind of have to like put the elastic band inside of it. And for me personally, I do not like wearing elastic bands in my wigs. Like the ones that they attach to the wigs, I don't like it. For me, it makes my head hurt. Not even when I used to like make wigs, I normally don't like putting them in because it's too uncomfortable. So I never really use the straps that they added. I always just use the ones that was sewn into the wig, like was made into the wig, and they weren't that durable. So these new types I actually love. So thumbs up, Luvme Hair for that. I hope all the wigs that I get for upcoming collaborations, I hope they like that, because girl, the struggle is real. But enough of that, let me just show you guys what they sent to me inside the package, and then we can move on to the actual installation of this wig. In the package, they sent me the bag to put the wig in when I'm done wearing it. They sent me some beauty blender. The amount of this that I have now, like, it's crazy. They sent me like the wig grippy thingy to like help your wig stay in place if you're supposed to wear it glueless, and this wig was glueless, but for me I don't really need it, so I didn't use it. They sent stocking cap, which I need to put here. I need to collect all the stocking caps that I can, because for some reason the other day I couldn't find any stocking caps. Can you believe it? Somebody that does wig installs like every month to not have stocking cap is kind of crazy. But yeah, anyways, they sent me some clips to use for the installation of the wig, their thank you card. So that is pretty much all I got inside the package. Now if you love to see how I install this wig, and guys, also this wig came curled, so I really did not need to do anything with this wig. I didn't put glue in it. I didn't use hairspray to like tack the lace down. I only did like the baby hairs, obviously. But the curls and everything, it came like this. So this is literally a beginner's wig. You do not have to do much to the wig. But enough of me yapping. Let's jump right into the installation of this wig.
Go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I'm the white fault and without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, though. I no go feed the girl, it's out, though. I'm a mind that's you talk, though. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devil. Like the Baba fly, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. And if you go and shadow, Voma. I dey try to buy moto, one Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Leggy Bona. Now so much you make it have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young past, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life. My eye, yo. Don't cry, yo. I need to go and shadow. 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 I need to go and shadow.
Puff, my Mary Jane. I'm high on life, wanna meditate. Shut up and bend over, and bend over. Shut up and bend over. Puff, bend over. Let your back do the talking over. So shut up and bend over. Puff, and bend over. Mary Jane. My Mary Jane. I'm high on life, wanna meditate. Shut up and bend over, and bend over. Shut up and bend over, bend over. Unjust, you good. It's done just, you good. It's done just, yeah, done just, yeah. Just for the record. Just for the record. If they like the job at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh, yeah, come bear no. I so blame me more. You go do your one time, I go for one time, I'm to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up, man no be God up. Make them they talk and so they fly like helicopter. Nobody girls have got an inshallah with them move. Question, but then no get the answer. 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 Answer, bossa, we do. Yeah, go sing a salad when you they move. See green light when I look at you. Last time I take picture with you. Now my cassava where you they look. When I say I not see what you do. See when we go get a wild like Sulesu. Got to money console. Anything you wish me.
Yeah, my mind. Yeah, my mind.
I ain't got a clue.
So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. The link to the wig will be down in the description box, so if you guys would love to purchase it, definitely check down below. But for now, this is the end, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.
Play yourself.